Hi, it's Cheryl here. In May and in June, I'm going to be teaching a series of 4 abstract floral workshops. Now, this workshop is for you if you would like to reconnect with your creativity, learn something about oil painting and work with a group of like-minded people. So this workshop is about colour, it is about movement, and it is about joy. So the first 3 workshops are half day. We do a hydrangea on the first day, Australian natives second, and the third one is to do with petals. Now, you don't need to bring anything. All oil paints, Gamsol, brushes, everything that you could possibly need for oil painting is supplied. Now, the final lesson is a full day workshop, and this is where you will get to create a larger floral painting from a bouquet of flowers, and you'll create a masterpiece, something that you're going to be proud to be able to hang onto your wall. Now, you can bundle these 4 workshops together and save, or you could do pick and choose, whichever you like. So come and join me. This workshop is going to be down at JCR Therapies, and that's down at Ettalong. So expect the workshop to be bold and of course like messy, playful, and just the way that creativity should always be.